Welcome back to Criminal Lawyers Perth. I'm Mark Soper, the criminal law guy. The topic I want to talk to today is something that occurs every time we receive a new client into our practice. Imagine someone's been charged with sexual assault, invariably a male, and the charge is brought by a complaint by a female. The new client will say to us, "I didn't do it, I had nothing to do with this," and the complainant is lying. In our practice, it happens all the time. The question then is, why would somebody lie about being sexually assaulted? So, what are the combinations between the truth and what is untrue? The allegation that is made is true. The allegations are basically true and valid, but the complainant has substituted the accused for the person who actually was involved in the sexual assault. The fundamental allegations are false. It simply did not happen. The complainant has misinterpreted, for example, the behaviour of the accused client. The complainant has been influenced by a third party to bring the charge and complaint against the accused client. The complaint has made a false allegation in all respects. Or finally, the complainant is simply fantasising about a situation that didn't occur. Now, in all of these cases, it doesn't suggest to us that immediately we receive a client into the firm that the client is telling the truth. In fact, that's not our job. Whether the client's telling the truth or whether the complainant is telling the truth is entirely a matter for the jury to determine. It is up to the state to prove their case and prove it beyond a reasonable doubt. But in order to prepare for trial, it's important that we are aware of the combination of truths and lies. So why would someone lie? Just because a woman says that she was sexually assaulted doesn't mean to say it happened. The Me Too movement would suggest otherwise, where you believe in the woman. But a court of law works in a completely different way. 4 in 10 Australians, 42%, think sexual assault allegations are a way of getting back at men. It's a way of harming them, hurting them, by the National Community Attitude Survey in Australia. Almost the same proportion, 43%, believe women make up the claims. Again, these are survey statistics, and as they say, statistics don't lie. Well, they do sometimes. Yet research does show that false allegations are quite rare. They comprise a small minority of the total allegations that go before police. So what are the factors that we look at? What are the features of a sexual assault allegation? We use these features in preparing our client for trial. For example, revenge. The client relates the history that he has with the complainant, and that history may show or reveal aspects of revenge, where the accused has supposedly hurt, humiliated the complainant in some way, either directly or on social media. What's another thing we look for? The complainant is using this as an excuse to gain attention, create a following of sympathisers, wanting respect, reputation, and so on. To create a sense of excitement, in other words, in their lives. Seems hard to believe, but those are the factors that we look at, and those are the types of situations that come to us every day. The complainant could be making it up to avoid punishment, to deflect, to shift the issue somewhere else. Cause a distraction, in other words. Or the complaint is driven by pure greed, money, criminal injuries compensation. Motivations other than the fact that the complainant was sexually assaulted help guide us in developing our cross-examination questions, in understanding the context of the accusation and the context of the parties involved. That is, historical, social, familial, and so on. Sadly, women who lie about being sexually assaulted do a complete disservice to women who have been sexually assaulted. In various ways, women are not believed, which I say sadly because of a lot of women who have been sexually assaulted, justice is not met. If you have been charged with sexually assaulting someone, then you need competent legal representation. Give my law firm a call on 0422 65 6589 to discuss your case. We spend a considerable amount of time on the telephone with you, so don't be too concerned about time and cost because the initial consultation is free. Thank you.